So, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And this is Rani Kamlapati railway station, which is currently in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, which is one of the most developed cities in India and one of the top developed cities in Madhya Pradesh state itself. And here is the entry gate of the railway station. As you can see, there is security, but I don't really see any security personnel here, which is quite a security issue, as you can see. But overall, you can see here that there is another security where no security guard can be seen. Now, here we can see many arts, the Madhya Pradesh tourism, and the railway station itself is quite luxurious, as you can see how well maintained it is. I mean, who says India can't really be developed, except for these guys who keep on throwing things. I mean, he just literally just threw that cup in front of me. You can see here that there's a ticket counter and an inquiry. Inquiry is on the left side and the ticket counter is on the right side, where you can book an urgent tickets if you want in case of emergencies. As for that, there should be some safety guards like Ryan, so that people know a bit more how exactly it should be there. Hence you can see an ATM, I think so, automatic ticketing machine. Okay, so this one is the ticketing machine, where if you have social anxiety like me, then you can go there. If you don't want to go there, then you can go here, and from here you can see the road map area of the railway station, which is actually even made for the blinds, as I don't really know how to read a blind alphabetics. But you can see here some of them are missing, so it has to be a bit updated. But you can see that there are 6 railway stations or platforms and many more, and hence there are 2 accelerators, as you can see from the you can see there. And then there's one Bansal one, so I believe this is the railway station area.